So first I mark the insertion depth, which is 15/16. I go about right there, and that makes sure I get the thing out all the way. And here's the Sharkbite connector. See, it's got little.
Well, did you get any Paul
Thingies
able
in
to help you like get connection with publishing or anything? Or I mean, it costs so much money to do that though.
There we go. Now, it doesn't come off, but it will rotate like this, which is a lot different than a solder joint, which definitely does not rotate. And then when I want to take it off, here's the removal tool, this little piece of plastic, and just snap it around the thing, and it pushes against it right here, and then I push, squeeze, oops, squeeze it in. Wait a minute. Squeeze it. Let's try it again. Squeeze it, and off it comes. There we go. So, this is an end cap, so it just goes into one end. And that's what I did. I cut the old pipe, and then put this end cap on it. And then when I was done with the project, got the other pipe all ready, and then took the end cap off and replaced it with a feed through.